What's up, YouTube? This is John back with another episode of Engineering Awesome. Today, we're going to go over the Makers Geek Geekbox for January. Let's get into it. I want to start off this review by just basically stating that I really like the Makers Geek boxes. I think that they're awesome for beginner printers. They've got just an assortment of filament that you get, an assortment of colors. They come with a newsletter that comes with articles. A lot of times they come with tools, and it's really just a great community, and it is good filament. Now, the reason why I am probably going to be canceling my subscription, and I haven't done it yet, is because frankly, you get colors like this. So this is purple, it's clear purple, and then they're pretty in pink. Now, as you guys know, a lot of the prints that I do are for this channel. I do a lot of gun related prints. That's one of the big things that I'm into, a lot of reloading prints. These really don't go great with those. It's not really something that people want if I were to sell the items, so I'm probably going to be canceling my subscription, like I said. However, again, I want to reiterate that it does come with an excellent newsletter. It's always got great tips and tricks, and it is nice to get filament like this sometimes. There's no way I would go out and buy this myself, but I actually get a lot of requests from friends and family to print in the colors that they give me. So I'm going to use both of these. It's going to work out that way, and I use all the other colors that I get as well. So that's definitely a big plus. Now, if you guys are interested in the filament that I'm using, I have switched over to using eSun PLA Plus. It prints great every time. I really don't have any bed adhesion issues or anything like that. And this Makers Geek stuff prints pretty good too, but I find I have less issues with the eSun PLA Plus. So that's what I'll be going to, and I will provide a link down below, so if you guys are interested, you can pick it up there. But this month's Geek Box came with kind of a cool little like geared heart, and I did print that, and I printed it in whatever color I had up there at the time, which ended up being black. And I realized afterwards that it probably wasn't great to print a heart in black for Valentine's Day, but whatever, I just thought it'd be fun. So I do like some of the projects that the Makers Geek Geekbox comes with. Now, the link down below that I'm going to be providing for the eSun PLA Plus, it is an affiliate link, so I would appreciate it if you guys do use it. It helps the channel out, lets me do some cool reviews. You guys know that I do like doing some of the gun reviews, even though it doesn't really pertain a lot to the engineering aspect of this channel. I do find ways to mix it in. So if you guys wouldn't care to use that, if you do order some, I definitely appreciate it. If you guys like this video, or if you guys need more information on these geek boxes, make sure that you leave me a comment below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is John with Engineering Awesome.